coming to you with another lesson on factoring. All right, so let me tell you, I teach high school, and in high school, we're not learning how to add and subtract. We're not learning how to multiply and divide. You have a calculator, so we're teaching you how to use that tool. And when it comes to factoring, we give students this factor sheet. So you're not even having to guess on the factors. We're teaching you how to use tools, all while we're learning how to factor. Having said that, back in the day when I used to teach it 10 years ago, kids would mess up the signs. Like they knew the factors, and then they would get in there and mess the signs up. So I would give them this example of like a note card. I give them a note card like this with the different ways that they may see the quadratic, and knowing what to put in the parentheses based on what they see. But now, I don't even do that. I go ahead, we factor, and then we take it back to add, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Again, a base level skill that they should be coming into high school with. All right, so I'm going to ask them straight up, hey, what are the factors of 12? And guess what? You ain't got to guess, you got the factor sheet. Tell me your factors of 12. So, of course, they go in. I always put 1 and 12 first, because that's everybody want to give them. I already know 1 and 12. Gotcha. All right. Now, 2 and 6, yes. 3 and 4. All right. So, from there, it's like, okay, we got our factors. Now, we know that all of these multiply to give us 12, but we need to focus on the ones that are going to add to give us 7. And yes, I said add, even though it says negative. Now, 1 and 12 can't come together in any kind of way to give you 7. 2 and 6 cannot. If you add them, you get 8. If you subtract them, you get 4. But 3 and 4, yes. Now, and I go ahead and I put 3 and 4 up top. I'm like, how can I get 3 and 4? If I do 3 minus 4, that's negative 1. I want negative 7. The only way I can get that is if I add them together. But I want a negative 7. So from there, then my kids are like, yeah, they both have to be negative. So now I'm ready to put them inside the parentheses. X minus 3, x minus 4. Takes all that guesswork out of trying to memorize and have this